Welcome back to this new edition of resistors. Welcome back to part 2 of resistor code. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to measure resistors. As I said before, you have to arrange it in that table. And before you want to arrange it, you start by saying this: big rule in Great Britain, have a very good wife. You understand? Big rule in Great Britain, have a very good wife. B rule in Great Britain, have a very good wife. Okay. So when you are done with this, you will understand the table of what I did in part 1. Like now, B. You see, this is just start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, we are starting from 0, 1, 2 to 9. So we start with B, which is black. You see? Another B, that BB rule in Great Britain, have a very good wife. This is brown. This B is brown. This red, orange, yellow, green, blue, gray. Okay, sorry, violet, gray, and white. You see, with all this, you arrange the resistor times table. So black, in times of black, we have 1. That's the value. The value of black is 1. So let me cross it like this. So this is number. Sorry. I did the wrong aspect. Let me just tell you that all this is the numbers. This is the code from the black to white. This is the code, and this is the number. This is the code. So we are going for the value of this code right now. Here this go to value. Okay. Let's see, cross here. Turn this to value. So okay, because of as we all say, this black we give you 1. Black, anything black is 1 in terms of value. The value is at 1. Anything brown is 10. See, 10. Red is 100. Orange is 1000. Yellow is 10,000. Green 100,000. Blue 1 million. Violet is 10 million. While gray is 100 million. While white is 1 billion. You see? This is 6. This is 10 million, 100. So this is the value of what I described by this code. You got it? Black is 1, brown is 10, 100. You measure it according to these code numbers. So with all this one, you can be able to identify your color code, which for the beginners to learn about it. So I'm giving you the short form of this, you understand? So 1 is just the ohms, 10 raised to the 0 is 1. It's just a short form. When you see this, if you are good in maths, you understand what I'm teaching right now. It's a short form of this, so that you don't have to go through these numbers. So you can make it short like this. That's why I divide it to this particular point. You can say 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 3, 10 raised to 4. You see, each and every number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because this 9 is 9 zeros, so it's 9 zeros, 8 zeros, 7 zeros. So we can make it short than this NOR process. Why I give you this NOR process? For you to understand the value of these resistors. So let me give you the equivalent. What do you mean by equivalent? Equivalent, we have ohms here. So I will tell you about equivalent of this resistor right now. So what do you know about equivalence? This one is equivalent to nothing. Black is equivalent to nothing because it's what? It's ohms. It's 0, it's how it's 0. So equivalent of black is actually nothing. It's actually 0. It's 0. That is equivalent of black. So I will just put ohms here. You see? Ohms. Equivalent of black. While brown equivalent is 10. You see 10. Or make it 10 ohms. You see? Red is equivalent to 100. So you can make 100 ohms. Orange is equivalent to 1000. So you cannot go to write 1000 ohms. We go to write 1000k. That's 1k. Sorry, 1k that we go to write. That is first of 1 is 1000 raised to power 3. So we give you 1k. 1 kilo ohms. You got it? So yellow is 10,000. So we give you 10 kilo ohms. Green is 100 kilo ohms. While blue is 1 mega ohms. 1 mega. So violet is 10 mega. Because you cannot say 1000 kilo ohms. It's not there. You make it 1 mega ohms. After 100k is 1 mega. So it's under blue. 1 mega is blue. Violet is 10 mega. Green is 100 mega. And while white is 1 giga ohms. If you're able to understand these points, this is fundamental of resistors. Then I believe that with all these things you have know how to measure resistors from the fundamental, for the A to Z, for the story here and getting it right here. So this is how you achieve what you want in terms of resistors. Right? Watch for the part 3 of resistor. I'll show you how to calculate them and how to measure them in terms of resistor ohms. You measure them by ohms and k and mega in different types of resistor. Thank you so much.